What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video on the Vauxhall Combo van. This is going to be the last video. We're going to be wrapping up the van today. We're just going to finish off the last few bits on the van. Then what I'm going to do at the end of the video is I'm going to come back in and I'm going to give you guys a price breakdown, what the van cost us, what it cost us in parts, and what I'm hoping to sell it for. We'll roll the video and then I'll come back in and we'll go through that breakdown. Enjoy the video. It's the first job of the day. We're going to jack the back of the van up. We're going to get these wheels taken off, get them in ready for paint. Okay, so we've cleaned the wheels up, given them a first coat, just letting them dry. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give these a good clean out, as you can see, all that. So I'm going to get a brush, get the brush out. Right, a little bit better. We're going to go around now to the other side. It's the same around here, so I'm just going to give this a quick clean up. Here we go, another little job done. Right, so I'm going to make a start now on removing this back light. Oh, bloody phone's locked. Give me 2 secs. Okay, so there's one bolt there to undo, 2, 3. I think that's pretty much it. Let's have a look at the other one. 1, 2, 3. It looks to be 2 on the inside there, so right, I'll get that one off, then I'll come back. Right, it's even easier than that. It's just the 3 bolts there, so I've got the old one off now. Just want to give it a wipe down. Right, let's get it in. So we're having a bit of a problem here. It's the same side, but it's shorter there. I think it was a, as opposed to the doors opening outwards, it was one that opened upwards. So all we're going to do is we're going to gauge. Yeah, so we're going to cut it down there, along there, and that should go on just fine. So we'll get that done, and then we can get it in, because it's hitting on this bracket, so obviously it's not gonna fit in. So yeah, we'll get that done, and then we'll get that fitted. Right. Okay, so we've cut that now. Hopefully that should fit. Just get it on. Right, another job done. It's now all in. Looking 10 times better. Next job, going to get these wheels put back on. I'll get them on and I'll come back, get it jacked down, and then see what it looks like. There we go. All wheels now done. Looks better already. Right, next job we're going to do, we're going to give the van a wash, get all this markings off on there as well. I've got to give the a good hoover and a good clean in there as well. So I'll get that done and I'll come right back. I'm going to give these seats a clean. Look at the state of that, look. And there. Yeah, so disgusting. So we're going to give that a clean now. Right, just before I start tidying this up, look at all the mess I found under the seats. I think it's safe to say that whoever had this van before was a delivery driver. So anyway, it's time to get this all tidied up. Disgusting. Right, so we're slowly getting there. Just got to give the floor another wipe down. Giving the seats a bit of a clean up. Down there. It's looking a lot better. Pretty happy with that. I've still got to go that way, give the bulkhead a bit of a clean, and then that's pretty much it for the inside. Right, just giving it a clean. Just need to do the windows next. It's a lot better. Look at that. There's a little bit of scuffing down there, so I'm going to get the T-cut on that. See if I can get that out. What do we reckon then? Looks good. Inside as well. It's a lot better. A lot better. Very, very happy. As you can see, ladder. I'll show you. I even gave the roof a bit of a clean. There was a headlight bulb that's out. Unfortunately I don't have one, so I'm going to have to get that tomorrow. And show you this quickly. Nasty little scratch there, so I'm going to sort of touch that in. I'm not going to go too mad. Get that done. It's amazing what you can do with a little bit of T-cut. It's a lot better. That's obviously gone past, so I can't get that out. But there we have it, guys. All done, ready to go up for sale. What I'm going to do now is give you guys a price breakdown, what I spent, what the van owes me, and what we're going to be putting it up for. Just going to have a quick recap of what we've done. We have changed this light for a new one. We've refurbed the wheels. Those in desperate need of a good clean up, so we've done that. Come into the van. We changed that switch. Remember that one was missing, so we put a new switch in there. I had a spare radio lying about, so I've put a radio in there. We've given it a good clean. The lighting's not best in here. Come around the front. We did an oil change. We have put a new oil filter on. We did the glow plugs, 4 new glow plugs in. That seems to have sorted the issue regarding the light on the dash. We put a new cartridge on the turbo, so we took the turbo off. We replaced it with a new cartridge, put that back on. We took the catalytic converter off, we cleaned that out, put that back on, and I'm yet to still change, but we've got a new bulb that we need to put in there. A little dent on the side there. It doesn't look too good there, but we've pulled that out a little bit. But that's the best that we're gonna get that. Okay, so the van is now done, all barring the headlight bulbs. I'm just waiting for them to be delivered. Then the van is ready to be sold. We're going to go through the price breakdown now. Now, the van itself, it wasn't an insurance written off vehicle. It was a category U, which means it's unrecorded or used. It was basically an ex-fleet van. What happens is after a certain age, they get rid of the vans, they get new ones in. On this occasion, this one had an issue with it smoking, so that's hence why I came across it at Copart and ended up buying it. Anyway, so we're going to go through the price now. Now, the sale price, the hammer price that I bought the vehicle for was £1,150. Then you had a buyer's fee on top of that, which was £224. There was a virtual bid fee that was £25. Then there's a load fee. I think we've covered load fees before in the previous video. It's basically where they pick it up and they put it on the back of a truck for you to then have it delivered. That was £15. Then there was VAT charges, which was £52.80. Now, they have a preferred payment method, which means you get a little discount. So we minus off £66, including VAT. That was taken off of the bill. Then we had £70 to get the van delivered here. So to get the van delivered to the door was £1,470.80. Now we go on to the parts and what we've had to do to the van. So we'll start with oil. Now I had to spend £40 on oil. So yeah, we got oil at £40. Had to buy that rear light. That was delivered. That was £35. I bought that from eBay. That's by, I don't know if you remember the window switch on the driver's door. That was broken, so you'll be able to spend £10 on a new window switch. Now, originally I ordered a new turbo. Now the new turbo I think I ordered was for £380. Now there was a massive issue trying to get that sent out because of obviously what's going on with the coronavirus and stuff. So I ended up cancelling that, and I found that because that was coming from abroad. So I ended up finding in this country the turbo cartridge. If you see in one of the previous videos, it's the inside of the turbo that was already calibrated, so I didn't have to, you know, it was just simply a case of just undoing, you know, changing it over and then putting it all back together. Fairly straightforward, and that cost £65, so I was well happy with that. Then obviously just purchased some headlight bulbs. They were £7.69. We had to buy 4 glow plugs. Now they come to £72.73. We got them fitted, and then we had to buy an oil filter. That was £10.44. Now the stereo that I put in it, that was absolutely free because I had one lying about. And we've just put for miscellaneous with like paints and bolts and stuff. We've worked it out at £35. So the total in parts for the van was £275.86. So add that on to the price to get the van delivered. The van at the moment sits at £1,746.66. Now I'm hoping to sell this van for around £2,850, which will give us a profit of just over £1,100 if all goes well. Now obviously with what's going on at the moment, I'm not expecting the van to fly out the door. I'm probably going to be sitting on it for a little while, the same as I am with the Mini. No one's buying any vehicles, but hopefully when it all picks up again, then I should fetch that sort of money for the van. So that is everything on the van. I hope you guys have enjoyed this series on the van. I certainly have. I've learned a fair bit by doing it. Don't forget, if you like the video and you like what I'm doing here, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really does help. We're approaching 500 subscribers. It's absolutely crazy. But anyway, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take it easy, stay safe, and I will see you guys very soon. Peace.